Don't be left out. There are assets that make people rich. It's just that you don't have any idea about these assets. But if you watch this video to the end and listen carefully, I will expose these 5 assets. These assets can also make you rich. Let us start by listing out these assets: bonds, real estate, education and skills, intellectual properties, stocks. Investing in bonds can make you a steady income, and it can also appreciate in value over time. You can hold bonds till their maturity date and collect interest payments on them. These interests are usually paid twice a year, and also you can sell them when the price is higher than you initially paid. Owning a real estate can be a valuable asset that can appreciate in value over time and generate rental income. You become rich when the property increases in value over a period of time, and also rental income collected by renting out the property. Stocks. Investing in stocks can lead to wealth accumulation through capital appreciation and dividends, and this can generate steady income. Intellectual properties. Owning an intellectual property like patents, trademarks, and copyrights, these can generate income through licensing and royalty. Education and skills. Investing in education and developing a valuable skill can lead to a higher paying job opportunity, and this can increase earning potential over time. Thank you for watching to the end. Like and share. Click on the subscribe button to get more information on how to make money online.